The biggest myth that retail traders still believe is the fact that news matters. Don't get me wrong, if you're day trading and all that kind of stuff, you should pay attention to it. Of course, eventually news comes into play, so let's talk about it. What do I mean when I say that retail traders fall for the fact that news still matters? The chart makes the news. Write it down. The chart makes the news. I'm Edgar Allan Doe. I make daily stock market content every single day. I go live and trade the market every single day. I run a Discord and I teach a class around the stock market as well. If you're here, make sure to drop a follow. Now let's get into it. So the chart makes the news. Haven't you ever noticed that a company will double beat, guide up, and then the stock goes down 10%? Or the exact opposite, a stock will double miss, guide down, but the stock's up 20% after hours? That's because unless the chart is set up in a way that the news is going to matter to the current direction the chart is moving, then the news won't matter, okay? So when a chart starts to set up very bullish, right, and bearish news comes in, that doesn't always matter, because then all of a sudden, a narrative can shift and you will see that the chart makes the news. Let's take UNH, for example, really good one, right? Was driven down completely this year, all the way down to about 240. You know, people all over the internet, all over news publications, all sorts of stuff saying it was going sub 200, right? 180 people were calling for it. Absolutely insane, by the way. Nothing fundamentally has changed about that company. There's been no new news. There's been no bullish news. Actually, everything that they said was driving it down is still very active. Yet, the chart flipped bullish, and price has now rebounded all the way to $370. So more than a $130 move to the upside since that low was seen. The same thing can happen when a stock is to the upside and starts to go to the downside, despite positive news. So you heard it here first. Write it down. Don't ever forget it. The chart makes the news.